Evening, hope everyone's well. So I'm just going to go for some dinner with Kirk and we're going to take you along with us and find somewhere nice to eat, some Greek cuisine. So let's see what one. It's actually a little bit cooler this evening, which is really nice. There's a breeze and it's actually like a cool breeze for once. So yeah, had a bit of a messy one last night. We met a really nice couple, Sam and Jess. So hi to you guys, hope you got home safely. And we went out and had some drinks and we went to George's, and the bar has a all-inclusive, 1 hour or 2 hours. You can drink as much as you possibly can, and they sort of like put the time on your hand, and it was €40 for 2 hours, 20 for 1 hour. And the rest, I think that's right. The video will be coming out and you'll see the prices. But yeah, very messy, but really, really fun night. So definitely recommend going there. So yeah, that was a really good night out and really affordable. They had like other drinks and stuff as well, and different options you can do, but we decided to do that. And then we went to the village for dinner beforehand to help soak up the alcohol. And that is perfect. The food there is 10 out of 10. So if you're in Faliraki, Rhodes, go to the village. There was actually a queue last night. It was absolutely rammed. Well worth the wait. It's our second time going there since we've been here, and we'll probably go a couple more times just because the food is phenomenal. So yeah, I really, really enjoyed that. But tonight we're going to find somewhere new. We're going to branch out and look for something different. Haven't quite decided yet, so we'll see, and have a little bit more of a quieter night because feeling it today. So yeah, we might go and check out. There's like a bar called Soul something. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but it looks really interesting. So might go there, have a couple of drinks, and then come back, chill out. And then I think tomorrow we're going to do some exploring in Rhodes Old Town. Go and see a bit of sort of culture and see all the sort of ruins and stuff. And yeah, do a little bit more of a action-packed sort of day. Had a really chill day today. But yeah, the weather is so nice. Really, really hot. So yeah, where we're staying, it's about 5 minutes from the hustle and bustle. So really convenient, but again, you get that quietness at night, so you're not disturbed by all the noise or anything. But yeah, the food, I've said it quite a few times, I really, really rate the Greek cuisine. It's so fresh. We haven't actually had any hummus, we were just saying, so need to add that to the list. And we're still on a mission to find the best tzatziki in Rhodes. Our favourite tzatziki in Zante is at Claude's Melon Bar. Wishing you well, Claude. But here we haven't found it yet, so we're looking for that like perfect tzatziki. And when we do, we'll try and sort of take some home. Eat as much of it as we can. Right, if you guys can't hear me on the speak, it's really noisy. Oh, actually, they're quite calm. Really calm. So usually along here, the locusts, which we saw up close and personal yesterday, they're absolutely ginormous. So we saw a cat, obviously. These islands have loads of cats and everything. But yeah, we saw a cat and it was like playing with the locusts, and it was like that big. It was ginormous. It was, yeah, they are very big. And then they were like jumping on the ground, and yeah. If you don't like bugs and stuff, that might scare you a little bit. Oh, there you can hear them now. Making their loud noises. Got all the olive trees. All these little kind of dead zones. So yeah, we did notice, so we took a little wander earlier because they said there was like a pool bar, and we're like, oh, let's go and see what that one's like. But it was derelict, so it's no longer a pool bar. But yeah, I have noticed there is quite a lot of derelict buildings, all sort of like bars, restaurants. So yeah, it really would be an eye-opener to kind of see what it was like when everything was like fully open. At the moment it's sort of, I'd say 40%, 50%. So yeah, comment below, like, where are you going on your summer holidays? And our place is busy because there's that whole stigma. Obviously I don't really like to listen to the media, but they're all saying that because we're going to be doing Marmaris, like Turkey's not as busy this year and blah blah blah. So it'd be nice to see if you're sort of like use your holiday haunts, if you notice a decline in people or businesses kind of not opening, all of that stuff. It'd be interesting to know. But yeah, we're going to check out Marmaris and see if it's as busy and if the prices have gone up, because we went there and it was sort of the beginning of very early season, and now obviously we're in the heart of the summer. We just want to see if those prices have gone up like everyone's been saying, and is it quiet, you know, has the media actually got something right? So I'm not really sure what's down there. It's kind of like a little ravine, but yeah, all of these long, looks like sugar cane, but it's not sugar cane. Yeah, it's really nice tonight. I don't actually feel like I'm sweltering, which is always nice. But yeah, there's also, what else was I reading? I don't know, I completely lost my train of thought, which means it obviously was not important. Both of our shoes are squeaking, so if you can hear the squeak, that's our sandals. Oh, and on the bite update, still got bites, still itching. I actually got like a heat rash around my neck. So I had to take all my necklaces off, so I feel a little bit lost without my jewellery. This is a really nice little garden. We're not going to peer rings, I don't know if it's private. But the garden's really nice, it's got like a really nice pool. So there's a restaurant just up here. It says Bridges. And then there's like a little Italian up there as well. So we had a little like wander, and that's the splash pool. You can barely see the sign. Oh, it looks really busy in there.
Bridges is the Italian.
Oh, so Bridges is the Italian, yeah. Like I said, a lot of the places are really busy. I didn't think we went for dinner until about 10 last night, and like I said, we had to sort of wait outside because there's a queue to get into the village. Well worth the wait. So which way are we going to go, left or right?
No, left, isn't it?
Left, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Crossing here, do you?
Yeah, we need to cross. So across the road. So there is a sushi Chinese up there, but I don't think it's actually open. We'll have a quick look.
Lights on.
Oh, the lights are on, oh, okay. Maybe found the restaurant before we even walked anywhere. Not bad. So yeah, the first night we got here, I think it was like the changeover day, but it definitely feels a lot busier the last few nights, doesn't it? All the places have been like really packed. That's like restaurants, bars, all of it. So Golden Walk Chinese restaurant. Let's have a little look at the menu. Oh yeah, it is open. Oh, so do sushi. Beer, soups, salads, appetizers. Restaurant here. Like I said, I think we're going to head down to like the main park. So this one's also meant to be really nice. That's Desert Rose. Your jewellery here. Let's not get distracted by shiny objects. We are out to eat. We can be really indecisive when it comes to eating as well. Sometimes we'll just like go in circles and circles and like 2 hours later we'll find somewhere to eat. But yeah, this one looks really busy. That's Desert Rose. That one's got like really good reviews. Show you guys the Okay, so we've got the restaurants outside, little shop. So this is the place we was talking about. Backstage club. We might try and have a few drinks after we've eaten. So Soul Sweet. So you got Lionel Richie and the Drifters. Yeah, so good live acts there. So this isn't the place we went last night, but it's sort of the same night. George's Grill House and Seafood. Oh. Sorry. That's okay. Okay. It's a real leather here. Really busy. This is more looks like a bar. That place on the corner. Yeah, really busy tonight. It's Friday, isn't it? So we've been to this one as well. The one on the corner. Not as good as the Village, but still affordable, nice. So this one is hotel, okay. So we're coming down to the main sort of like strip now. Yeah, they're really busy. We found last night, so after we went to the all in like George's, there's a few clubs and stuff, but they do charge for you to get in, so it's like €10, and then you get like a drink and everything as well. It's really pretty on this one, bar 1. Climax. We went there last night as well, can't really remember much of it. Mambo's is open. That wasn't open the first night we got here. Right, let's stay on track because we are needing food. What did I get? So little kiosk, burgers, hot dogs. Sangria. Karaoke party. Hi. Ah, we're okay, thank you.
They're sponsored by Gorilla. They're really nice.
Maestro. So it does do food. Okay. Ciao. Thank you. And then this is, I think, what Kirk wants to eat. Eat in or take away. So this is tacos. Let's see what they got. So yeah, we went to the Jamaica bar, that one there. That was alright, we had a beer. So they also do food. Be nice if they did Jamaican cuisine, but it is what it is.
Not a Jamaican bar.
No, it's called Jamaica Bar, it's not a Jamaican bar.
Just a name.
Just name, just by name. So yeah, coming into a bit more of like all the souvenir shops, clothes shops. As you guys can see, it is busy, but again, it's peak season. I think that's the club we might have tried to get into. I can't remember. It was, yeah. There we go, it's all coming back. Ice cream parlour. And then you got, hi. Then you got a monkey beachside bar. But we're going to go to the square and see what's on that. So we just sort of come to the end of the strip, and we're just going to turn into the main Faliraki Square. Go another place. Let's cross over.
Aber hier.
So this is the square. Restaurant over there, Patia. Might go and see what that one's like. And then like if you head down, you've got the beach obviously right there. So there's lots of bars and restaurants along the beach. So maybe we'll take a little wander that way. And then yeah, show you guys this massive statue. Did do a beach walk from here, so I've got a day footage of this one as well. Got the little fun train. Yeah, it's about €10. Right, well, I'm going to end it here. So